Hi, I'm Andy, the owner of Sonic Solutions, and just a short video about the type of work we do in a typical day. So, we've got there some filter discs from a recycling company. They're very fine mesh, so they get the fine material which is then can be used for recycling. Why is it perfect for ultrasonics? Mainly because of the fine mesh. Ultrasonics does such a fine clean, taking away the carbon and rust residue. Two cleaning processes there, one to remove the carbon, one to remove the rust. Moving swiftly on to a boiler from a coffee company, and the contaminant here is internal, a scale from a very hard water area down south. We use a descaling acid, submerge it in the ultrasonic bath with the descaling acid, then decomposes and degrades the scale, which can then be flushed out, restoring the efficiency of the boiler. And then onto a very different one, an electrical cable connector that goes between railway carriages. It's covered in dirt, but it needs to be cleaned before it can be sent to the electricians for maintenance. Ultrasonics again gets both internally and into the connector ends for removing all the dirt that's accumulated on it. And then onto for something completely different, some very highly tooled parts used in precision printing that have to be scrupulously clean of all the cutting oils and slight residual swarf as they're being pressed. And then seals, variety of shapes and sizes. Again, they're from a mould, and they've got the contaminant is the release fluid that's been put on them to get them out of the moulds. And they're going into very high specification equipment, so it needs to be very clean. Stuff like anaesthetic recycling. Onto the oil and gas industry, we have very high precision parts which are used in deep sea or underground oil and gas wells. They need to be completely free of all hydrocarbon residue because they've got electrical components inside at high temperatures because of the pressure. That can cause some rather serious interference. And then behind us we have a large plate filter from the pharmaceutical industry inside this big crate. It's a great big circle, again ideal for cleaning, very fine mesh, ideal for cleaning in ultrasonics, where submerged in the water, subjected to ultrasonics and the appropriate chemistry, it does that fine, deep clean. So here we have a selection of what we've got on today, and we will continue to show you how we're going to do each individual one. Alright, and these are the leftovers from another job we did. Yes, they are Lego blocks. I keep calling me workers playing at it, and on this occasion they were all 1 ton of it, which for those out there is 1 million pieces. 4 big pallets. I can't say where, but they were on exhibition in a museum in an active, interactive presentation, and they needed to be cleaned before they were moved on to another place where they're going to do exactly the same type of demo. So we had a ton of Lego to clean, which I enjoyed watching them. I'm not sure how much they enjoyed doing it, but it all got done in the time, and it's now been shipped off to the next exhibition.
Right, we're going to be putting this heat exchanger boiler from a coffee shop in today, which means we're going to need to use some acid. This is a descaling acid that's going to get rid of all the contaminants from within the inside.